Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in the Czech Republic. Tonight's menu item, lentil soup with smoked meat. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Here I am rinsing the lentils. Then I'm heating up some oil in my Dutch oven. Then I add the onion and saute for a few minutes. And then I add the garlic and continue to saute for about 30 seconds. And then I add the carrots, the celery, and the mushrooms. And then I add the smoked sausage and continue to saute. Then I add the lentils. Then the tomatoes. And then I add the veggie stock and give it a good stir. Bring to a boil. And then I simmer on low for about 30 minutes. Here's the soup after 30 minutes. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Have fun cooking.